All right, guys, we're going to be checking out some Drugs. Scream If You're Crazy. This was requested by Bailey. Let's check it out. I'm guessing this is some older Drugs.
My voice is strong inside. My voice is strong. When you aren't here with me, I start talking to myself. I wake from my dreams to find the world asleep. To find the world asleep. Try to turn down the thinking, cause it won't stop.
Dude, this like violin popping off in the back is crazy cool. Is it weird that this has an Ice Nine Kills vibe? I love his voice in this format so much.
My voice is strong. I'm not sure that I believe you, but I do believe that somewhere in my life there's a bit of happiness with the loneliness.
This is a groovy song. I like it.
Swinging from the lights, swinging from the lights, but you don't seem to notice. You know the brightest stars burn fastest, even in the darkest.
It's got that groove.
Going crazy, crazy. It seems I've lost my mind. If I'm the asylum, the patients are dying. The patients are dying. You're out of your fucking mind.
I know we've heard him do the crazy, ridiculous uncleans, but I love his voice like this. Really cool melodies on this song.
The world was wrong this time. My voice is strong inside. My voice is strong.
Ooh, yeah. Hey. Okay. Yo. Oh. Was I just talking about the unclean? Dang. Those were brutal.
The world was wrong this time. My voice is strong inside. My voice is strong.
So catchy.
Wrong this time. My voice is strong inside. My voice is strong. The world was wrong this time. My
Whoa.
voice is strong inside. My voice is strong.
Tossed a little bit of layers right there at the end. Okay, yeah, that song had like a really nice blend of the clean and the unclean there. I was just talking. We just heard some of his like super brutal, crazy uncleans, and we kind of got them there. That melody was like contagious. Oh man, great tones in there. I love the instrumental. It was pretty cool. We kind of had that like that violin going off on the left, lead guitar on the right, bass like pretty strong, drums nice and simple. The song was like really well balanced. I wasn't actually expecting them to throw that super heavy section in there, but it worked. It sounded really, really cool. Craig's another one of those vocalists that, I don't know, he can hit like all the ranges. Really, really crazy voice.
What is up, YouTube? If you want a chance to win a live song request, then be here on Sundays at 5 p.m. Eastern. We're streaming marbles on stream. You'll get a marble. It'll run the obstacle course, and if you're lucky enough to win, you'll get a song request of your choice. It is a blast, guys. So many people show up. I've discovered so many new bands doing this. It's just something fun, different than the day-to-day stuff on the channel. There'll be links down below to the Discord where you can join, find out how to enter the races. We're always in there chatting, memeing, talking anything about music. It is so freaking fun, guys. So I will see you there. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.